This is a Razer Basilisk Ultimate with charging dock. And you're probably wondering, Wolfie, why did you just buy this? Don't you already have the Razer Viper Ultimate? Well, yes, I actually do, and I love that mouse. In fact, I love it so much that I think it's time to finally cut the cord on all of my gaming mice. And so because of that is why I have a Basilisk. Now you're also probably wondering, why didn't I get a Death Adder wireless? Because those exist. Honestly, I don't know what made me decide to go with the Basilisk instead of the Death Adder, because cost-wise, this cost more. So I might have made a mistake. But we're gonna have to unbox it and try it out to find out. So let's get right into it, right after the intro. So the Razer Basilisk Ultimate has 11 programmable buttons, 14 lighting zones, and a scroll wheel that actually you can adjust the resistance of. Haven't had a mouse with that feature ever, actually. I know Logitech's been championing it for years. It also has a 20K DPI sensor, which turns out is not that uncommon for Razer mice, and hyperspeed wireless technology, which is the same technology that was found on the Razer Viper. This one does, of course, come with the Razer Purple optical switches, and it has the charging dock, along with Razer Chroma support, of course. The box, pretty simple. It just says everything that I just said there. So let's get into it. I have high hopes because of the last Razer mouse that I unboxed. Yeah. Okay, magnetic flappadoodle, as expected at this point. And it's pretty much the exact same packaging. It's not a bad thing. That's not a ding on it. This mouse came in at $119 with the charging dock on Amazon. I know its usual price is a bit more than that. So I also am not gonna make the same mistake that I did last time and take off the adhesive, like the little protective piece right there, because that's gonna go onto the desk, which I haven't had an issue with mine since then. This is the mouse. So now, one thing I'm already liking more than the Viper is the shape. This is way more up my alley shape-wise. It would probably help if I took off this. Okay, so a couple things I really like. Again, they're doing that same thing that they did with the Viper, where instead of having big contact pads, they're much smaller. So side buttons, they feel very nice. They're in a great position. It's really easy to rest your thumb here without having to worry about accidentally triggering that. Love that. There's something here, I gotta figure out what that is. We got our top buttons, our scroll wheel, scroll click, left, right. And this is a right hand only version. There is a left hand version. And then right here is a resistance knob. It's already at maximum resistance on the scroll wheel. What happens if we take it all the way down? Oh, I like that actually. Apparently I am into the light. Whoa! You can set it to continuous scroll. Oh, that's dope. Not really my preferred cup of tea, but right there. That's still pretty low, or yeah. But I like that a lot actually. All right, feel-wise, really good. Fits in the palm of your hand really nicely. I'm gonna like this mouse. I am going to like this mouse. All right, also in the box, we got the foam and our instruction manual, which also probably contains our stickers, our welcome to the cults thing. Stickers, yep, whoa, okay, nice. Razer Basilisk instruction manual, I already figured out. I wonder what that button is on the side, actually. It doesn't tell you, huh? I wonder what that is. Probably like some sort of a factory reset button. Let's see. Mount-wise, that's pretty good. Again, we have the same locking cable, and wait a second. Hello, I think I found out what that button's for. We've got an extra little paddle, and I bet you, if I had to guess, that this is an additional macro button. So if we put this paddle into here, haha, it is. Oh, interesting. All right, but what would you do? Melee, grenade? I don't know what you do. Zoom, maybe? That gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why am I getting 11 programmable buttons? It says 11 programmable buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I daft? Or are they lying? Unless maybe 9, 10, but I'm missing one. There's gotta be one somewhere, but what is it? Oh, it does the thing my office mouse does. Okay. So that's 12, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Unless they count the scroll as one action. But okay, that makes sense. So what it is it actually has a scroll left and a scroll right. I only recently discovered mice with this feature. So I'm actually going to take off the extra optional button and I'm gonna put this on like this because this is gonna be a more comfortable grip for me, I think. And let's go ahead, plug this into a computer and see how she does. We are now at the desk and we have a slightly different configuration. In fact, this is my normal. It's actually how I'm going to use this mouse. So let's,
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring, I just want a life that is worth every day exploring, my whole life.
So I just got done actually using this mouse and I gotta say, I probably should have tried the Basilisk line a long time ago because I absolutely love the shape. There's not much about this mouse that I actually dislike, which is interesting because I've been using the Death adder forever at this point, it feels like. So yeah, the Basilisk is now going to live on my desk as my permanent gaming mouse of choice, at least on my main editing workstation style PC. And I can program these buttons to do things. So I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll actually set this up so that I have like cutting and like actually having my tools set to right there on the handle. It's gonna be so useful. And also I have the left and right scroll, which I can also set to other buttons. So yeah, overall, really cool, really fun, really responsive, and a great shape. But that's where we're gonna end today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, you can leave it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Wolfie, out.